ये क्या प्रॉब्लम है खरीद देवाना है काम में करવું હોય ને અંદર આવી પડશે નહીં કરવું હોય ને કાંઈ આપણે ગમે અહીંયા ઇમોશનલ પછી મેન્ટલી પ્રોબ્લેમ
हाँ बोलिए। अच्छा ठीक है।
Hello, everyone. I welcome you all in this wonderful, wonderful webinar. Thanks for coming in this afternoon of a beautiful afternoon of 25th of July. Thanks that you've all taken your wonderful time out. आप लोग सब आए. We are going to about to start in some time. We are expecting some more guests at the show. So I request all of you to kindly introduce yourself. You can introduce yourself in two ways, either by using the chat box. आप chat box use कर सकते हैं अपना, and or you can just thank you Ashutosh ji, and you can just unmute and speak a little bit before we begin. So please introduce yourself, where are you from, and what you're expecting from this workshop, what you want to learn further. I'm sure many of you are wonderful energy healers and in any different field. So, and just introduce yourself, your name, where are you from, and what do you do, your niche basically, whether you're a healer or you are into meditations, you're into any other profession, business, just write it down. It will be a wonderful thing to know about the group which are here with us at this moment. So if you can kindly use the chat box and write down about yourself. We'll start sharply at about 3. So we are just 3 minutes to go. Expecting some more people to join. It's going to be a very, very, very powerful session. Our Lama Fera master teacher and healer, Sri Vidhu Jatej, is already here. The small request to all of you, सबसे एक छोटा सा request है, जब शुरू होगा, it's a very, very wonderful, powerful techniques that Vidhu ji is going to share with us, and please be in a good space, silently, away from distractions. जो भी instruction वो देंगे, आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे, and relax yourself as much as possible. Take the information as much as possible. It's all about transforming your life. It's all about transforming your health, relationship, finances, and many more. It's all about connecting yourself with the higher powers and the higher energies, the enlightened beings all around us. So relax, like free yourself from all the distractions as much as possible. जैसे ही आप सारे distractions से अपने आप को हटा लेंगे, तभी इस पूरे जो वर्कशॉप है, ये पूरा जो वेबिनार है विद्युत जी करने वाले हैं, वो आप बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ पाएंगे, वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से आप उसको फील कर पाएंगे. So another 1 minute, we're going to start this process. I'm going to give a quick introduction, but just waiting for 1 more minute.
Ji, namaste, Satish online.
Yes, Satish ji. How are you?
Am I supposed to say something on this? I mean, intro, or should I type it?
No, whatever is comfortable. We are about to start, waiting for some a few more guests, and then we will start. So you can please go ahead and speak. No issues.
Okay. My name is Satishma. I am from New Delhi.
Wonderful, sir.
I'm into healing. I learned Lama Fera long back that through WhatsApp, but could not understand anything.
Okay.
So then I left it.
Okay.
I'm practicing Reiki and doing alternate healing on distance basis.
Wonderful. Very, very nice to have you, Satish ji, here in this program. And it's actually going to take you very, very far further, because I myself I'm a Reiki Grandmaster myself. I have been twice from United States. I've been awarded for my papers in cancer. So what has happened that when I actually met Vidhu ji, I was really impressed by the kind of energy when he's teaching. There's so much energy in that whole thing, whole thing that I was really impressed. That is why from Source community we have requested him that if he can organize a program for us, and that's why all of us together and looking for. I'm really excited. I hope I'm really excited and hope that we all will have a wonderful session today with Vidutji.
One is that I know Viduji not directly. I mean, I've not spoken to him, but the WhatsApp group wherever I see his name, and
Yeah.
I've seen his videos also, little videos on.
Yes, he has a group called as Vibrant Energy. He will talk about that
Yes,
also.
by the
probably.
name Vibrate. I'm sorry, Vibrate Vidyut. So I know about Vidyutji because
Yes,
he's
and
into,
he's serving so much and helping so many spiritual people and all to also rediscover themselves. So he's really doing wonderful thing for us, all of us. Anyway,
the purpose of joining this meeting is that though I'm doing Reiki and all those things, but I'm not able to find my spiritual connection. I mean, not in true sense. I'm doing
yes,
it, but the true feeling is not coming.
yeah,
So
I
I don't
think
know where it is stuck,
yeah,
and as well as the money part, it is also not flowing that much. So somewhere I'm stuck between these two things and then relationship and all those things.
yes,
So when Viduji said all those things about the Lama Fera,
yes,
तो
yes, yes,
मैं रिकॉल यार कि यार वो व्हाट्सएप में जब सीखा था उन्होंने भी बातें कही थी, लेकिन वो व्हाट्सएप में सब कुछ हुआ था।
yes,
उन्होंने
yes,
पहले कहा कि हम ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हम आपको सिर्फ एक इंटरव्यू टाइप का कुछ देंगे और
yes.
ज्यादा हम कुछ करेंगे नहीं। तो वो जब भाई ठीक है, लामा फिरा कुछ है।
Mhm.
तो बस
Dr.
वही
Shinde, welcome.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah, nice to see you, sir.
Yeah.
So I think many people are here. Let other people come. So let us not take much time, and let me just give a quick, sharp introduction and not stay much in between you and Vidutji. So I'm just going to share my screen. I really request all of you to unmute to mute yourself when I'm starting this. Please, all of you mute.
अच्छा सत्य जी, before I want to say something.
Yeah, tell me.
I got an issue with my mobile because ना
Yes,
charging
yes.
कुछ मोबाइल चल रहा है,
150 GB का बना दें।
वो कम से कम 40-50 मिनट तक चलता है, उसके बाद क्योंकि बहुत गर्म हो गया।
Okay,
That's
just
why-
listen as much as possible. Try to this
Yes.
thing, and
So that's why
otherwise
you
we
will
will
see
do
two
the
name
needful.
of Satish Kumar in the system.
Yeah.
One is through my PC, and that PC does not have video facility.
So
And
please send across your mobile number and your email ID in the chat box. We will do the needful with you. We will send across the video if it is possible from our side. Don't worry about it.
okay.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Please, all of you, mute yourself so that we can have maximum experience and understand this thing. And let me just share quickly. Also, okay, we are here in the Rama Fera Healing Workshop today, 25th July. And so let me just give a little bit introduction about the Source team. So we are Source Group. So we believe that the Source is the source of everything. So Source is the source of love. Source is the source of forgiveness. Source is the source of healing. Source is the source of money and finances, and Source is the source of relationships. So there are two different kinds of healing energies. Like there are healing energies which we access from different frequencies, different layer of existence, and then there are healing energies, kuch aise healing energies hai, which comes directly from the compassionate heart of the enlightenment being, like Lord Buddha himself. So that's why here we are at this moment, and we are very blessed to have Vidutji with us, and he's going to explain about this wonderful, wonderful healing energy, which is called as Lama Fera. And Vidut, let me just give a quick introduction about Vidutji. And I will request Vidutji to give more introduction about himself. So as far as I am aware, Vidutji is a wonderful Lama Fera master, teacher, and healer. He's a pranic healer, and he's also a holistic healer. And he provides counseling for various challenges, relationship challenges, then to young people for their life and career and money. And he also hosts really many wonderful meditation techniques. And you are going to be blessed today to experience one powerful technique. Trust me. And I'm really feeling excited, and you're going to feel very excited, or we're going to reach a completely different world. So let me welcome with this deep respect, Vidut Jatiaji. So Vidutji, over to you, sir. People are waiting for. Thank you so much. Thank you. Vidutji, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself and start talking. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Satya ji, thanks a lot. आपने मेरा introduction भी किया, but I am also thankful to you, your team, that you all have taken this initiative to spread this amazing Lama Fera healing technique far and wide. And thanks to your entire team, especially you and Shrikantji. I welcome each one of you on this Sunday afternoon. This is our series of Sunday webinars. Today is the second Sunday that we are doing it. I have already been introduced by Satyaji, so I don't have to say much about it. I was hearing Satish ji speaking about his other healing techniques, and he has learned Lama Fera through WhatsApp. We also teach through WhatsApp, but it will be absolutely explained properly and thoroughly. And we are always there to clarify doubts. So please listen to the whole thing with an open mind. WhatsApp workshops can be also very effective. It depends on the teacher actually. So now I will ask you a few questions. Just listen to them and you can write yes in the chat box if it resonates with you. Any one question, even if there is a yes, please do write it. Remember, you are not here by chance. Lord Buddha wanted you to be here. Among hundreds and hundreds of people, why only we all are here? There is a reason, a purpose behind it. Lord Buddha wants to help you through me as the medium so that our lives become the happiest possible. And Lord Buddha also wants all of you to join hands with me in spreading this Lama Pera healing technique far and wide. We all are here for a mission, for a purpose. It is not by chance. Now for the questions. Do you want Lord Buddha to do your healing where I am only the medium? If it is yes for you, please put in the chat box. I am सत्या जी म्यूट करना होगा शायद एक दो जन को. सत्या जी आपको. Vinita ji, I think you have to mute yourself.
Yeah, I have muted her. Vunita ji just joined now. So I request all of you to please, whoever are joining, because this is a very experiential meditative process. I request all of you to please mute yourself. Whoever are joining.
So, Mittal ji is connecting now, so I think we have to mute.
Just wait for just a little bit, sir.
Yeah.
So that he joins and we mute him.
So I am seeing lots of yes, because obviously if Lord Buddha is coming to heal you or me, who can say no? Is the Vastu of your home, shop, office or factory not correct, because of which you're facing lots of issues in life? Do you want to rectify it without any demolition, without any repair? Is it resonating with you? Yes. Isn't it amazing that Vastu can be rectified without breaking a brick? Do you think that your progress is affected because of negative effects of spirits, and probably you have a doubt that someone has done black magic on you? Do you think that? Are you passing through some financial issues? The issues may be that you yourself are surrounded by negative thoughts. Do you have mental, spiritual, emotional, or relationship based issues? I'm getting lots of yes. As all of us need help here. Do you want to be physically fitter? Do you feel that there are errors in your DNA level? Do you feel that you're not succeeding because of, okay, Rakesh ji, very good. No, that's great. Do you feel that you're not succeeding because of negative ancestral karma or because of your own karmic baggage? Again, yes. Request the host to mute everyone. Puneet ji, okay. And do you want to eradicate all the unknown fears, phobias, complexes, and even depression? Because of so many yeses, I know that you all have come to the right place. Because only Lama Fera healing can rectify all these issues. It is such a powerful medium of healing. Now, for those who are new to energy healing, I'll just give a briefing about what is energy healing. It is a form of complementary and alternative treatment based on the belief that a vital energy flows through the body. Now, one thing we have to be very clear that these healing techniques are only supplementary and complementary. The main medical treatment always has to be done. This will only speed up the recovery. Now we have the universal energy. Now, how does it enter the body? Through the 7 major chakras in our body, those who are aware of it. And if a negative energy enters through these chakras, it will manifest in sickness, illness, financial issues, relationship issues, emotional issues, and all kinds of other problems. So if we cut the problem at the root, then definitely we will not have any kind of suffering. Now, there are many energy healing modalities like Reiki, pranic healing, theta healing, qigong healing, angel healing, and sound healing, and the list goes on and on. But today we have come here to discuss. One second, please. We have come here to discuss about Lama Fera. You all have heard the name. Maybe it was the first time you read it. Maybe you are aware of it. And as some people have already done it before. So what is Lama Fera? It is a Buddhist healing technique created by Lord Buddha himself, which has been used since 620 BC. It is, please listen carefully, why Lama Fera is so powerful. It is that powerful healing modality in which 45 symbols of Shalvik Mantra Rahasya are created with the vibrations of 4.5 lakh mantras. And that has been compressed and converted into just 12 special symbols, 12 very, very powerful symbols which are used by the healer. Out of these 12, 6 symbols are taught at the healer level, and the remaining 6 are taught at the master teacher level. It is said to be the fastest energy-based healing modality known to mankind till now. One healing session just requires 20 minutes. And why it is so fast and powerful? Because I am not the healer. I invite, I request, I pray to Lord Buddha to come into me, into the instruments and do the healing. So where God himself comes, the healing has to be very powerful, has to be very effective. Lama Fera is the union of two words. Both the words have their own identity and importance. Lama means follower who follows the philosophy of Lord Buddha, making it part of his life from the core of his heart. It is a highly effective Buddhist healing technique of the Tibetan Lamas, especially used in eliminating dark forces or the negative energies from human bodies and houses, and even protects you from enemies. It is also used for the normal and regular healing. The healing promotes chemical processing of body, muscles, bones, proper digestion, and it gives strength and radiates energy. This is a no-touch therapy, so we can easily give distant healing, or we can also do healing from a photo. Only thing required is a clean photo of yours from the head till the toe should be visible. And we use symbols to do the healing. And the healer helps to transfer Lord Buddha's energy to the patient to heal that particular illness or problem. It may also be used for people who are not Buddhists and belong to other communities, but they should have faith on Lord Buddha. They should respect him and they should be happy to receive healing from him through me or any other healer. It is a spiritual process and not a religion. So this can be used by anyone in the world. Now, some benefits I've already told you. Now I'm going to tell some more. It balances the male and female energy in the body, that is the Shiva and the Shakti. It equalizes all the three gunas, Rajo, Sato, and Tamogun. Nama Fera equalizes all the five elements in the body: earth, water, fire, air, and space. It balances the activities of the Ida and Pingla nadis. It frees you from stress and depression. The therapy increases your willpower. Experts regard Lama Fera healing therapy as the best one for patients who are at the last stage of their disease and there is no other help or hope left. But as I said before, you have to continue with the regular treatment as advised by the doctors and parallelly get Lama Fera healing done for the patient. This healing helps to resolve issues of your past life. It helps to clear our own karmic debts and the ancestral karmic issues also. It helps to clear issues in health, wealth, property, business, career, finance, relationship, you name it, it heals. It protects you from enemies, black magic, and the dark forces. It reduces the negative effects of mantra and tantra. And on top of, just 1 second, please. Sorry, it's a Sunday afternoon. Family members are also around. On top of all these benefits, Lama Fera healing can also be done on your pets. This COVID period has resulted in many families buying pets for their home. Having a pet at home has amazing benefits. The unconditional love of a pet for you and your family helps reduce stress and improves your overall psychological state. It can also reduce blood pressure and it can improve overall cardiovascular health. I have also got a pet. I want to introduce her to you all. She is Pepsi and she's a darling. She's going to sit next to me. I hope she doesn't trouble us. But even pets can have stress, disease, and ailments. We sometimes have to balance the systems of energy throughout our pet's body. They also go through psychological and emotional issues. Hence, we can then give Lama Fera healing to our pets. It helps in removing their fears and phobias. Sometimes they have some kind of separation anxiety if one of the family member is traveling, or unfortunately if somebody is no longer here or their fellow pet is no longer here, then they also have lot of sadness and they need healing. It helps in removing their nervousness. Some pets are aggressive. It helps to calm them down. They have travel anxiety and motion sickness, and they also have nervous system disorders. So whenever my pet is not well and we feel that it is having some kind of emotional issue or physically not well, we definitely go to the vet, but I do the healing also for the pet. So now, who all are interested in learning this amazing technique? Somebody is saying in Hindi, okay, I will use both the languages, English and Hindi. So who all are impressed by this modality of healing? Please put it in the chat. Impressed? You all can just write I am, me, great. Yes, impressed, I am, yes, great. So now let's discuss what all you will learn in the Lama Fera Healer Level Workshop, which is the level 1. We will teach you the 6 symbols in detail. We will give detailed explanation about each symbol, the benefits of each, and even the correct system to draw it. I will be sending videos showing you how to draw a particular symbol. Each symbol helps in resolving some issue. And when all the 6 symbols are used in a specified sequence, which we will also teach you, and healing is given, then we can solve all our mental, physical, financial, emotional, psychological, karmic issues, and relationship based issues. There is a concept of Dhai Fera, which you will also hear when I go to the meditation, guided meditation after this presentation. That meditation will actually take you somewhere else. So please wait till the end and enjoy the meditation along with me. So in the workshop, we will teach what is Dhai Fera, how to take it, and then start the healing process. You will learn how to do one-to-one personal healing, self-healing, self-protection method, distance healing, and healing by using a photo. You will also learn in this level the method of black magic removal, negativity, and entity removal process. This workshop is for 21 days, followed by a Siddhikaran and Shuddhikaran process, which will strengthen and enhance your divine healing powers. You will finally become Buddha's representative to spread his Lama Fera healing technique to every corner of the world. We will also give detailed explanation about the Lama Fera healing kit. There will be one distant attunement given by me after the workshop is over, and you will also get a soft copy of certificate. After learning this, you will feel balance in your life for personal growth. Spiritual alignment will also be done easily. You will be able to do Buddha's work, which will reward you in return multiple times over. You will see instant difference in your energy field and hence in your life and all your life activities. Your existence will then become more beneficial for so many people. Now, just for the knowledge sake, after the healer level, we have the advanced teacher level, which you can do after you have completed the healer level and the Shuddhikaran and Siddhikaran process. And I prefer people to become healers themselves than get healing done from me. Because once this power goes to you, comes to you, you can heal yourself and so many other people, your family members, your friends, and society. So it's better to become a healer yourself and get that power for life than getting healing done from someone, whatever kind of healing it may be. Now we have the packages which we can discuss later, or you can always, what will be the energy exchange for it, sir? Will we get notes and recording of video sessions? All the days, 90% you will get videos showing you how to draw the symbols, showing you how to do the healing. As I said, one-to-one, self-healing, distant healing, and healing from a photo. Is there food restriction in this modality? Only the day we give you the initiation, the last day of the workshop, that day you should not have non-veg. Otherwise, Lord Buddha does not stop anyone from leading a normal life which they are already living. But the life can become much better because of Lama Fera healing. What will be the energy exchange? Somebody has asked. My next batch is starting on 28th, and the energy exchange is 3999 for that. From 1st August, it will become 4999. So this is the last batch in the old rate. So if you all want to join, I'll be very happy that all of us together can spread this amazing healing technique. Because my mission is at least one Lama Fera healer in every household. Imagine how the world can change. Now, I'll be giving the guided meditation. I'll give you some time to settle down. Best is lying down with your feet spread apart, the two hands on the left and the right side of your body. And if you are sitting down, the 2 feet should touch the ground and your hands can be on your thighs. I'll give you 2-3 minutes to settle down. Please don't be doing anything physical. You should not be traveling. You should not be in the kitchen or in the washroom, because in many cases I have seen that this meditation results in people getting into a trance. So I don't want you to fall down and get hurt. So please lie down or sit with your feet touching the ground. Close
सर जी
your eyes.
हिंदी में बताइए
सर ग्राउंड टच करना है क्या?
हाँ अच्छा, मैं हिंदी में बताता हूँ, सॉरी। हाँ, अगर
बेड पे लेट सकते
बेड पे लेट सकते हैं आप, बेड पे लेट सकते हैं आप, और दोनों पाँव जो है वो क्रॉस नहीं करना है, सीधा रखना है।
अच्छा सीधा रखना।
और लेफ्ट हाथ लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द बॉडी में फ्लैट रखिए, राइट साइड में राइट साइड का हैंड, और दोनों पाम्स खुले होने चाहिए, जैसे हम कुछ मांगते हैं भगवान से।
ठीक है।
The palm should be open facing the ceiling.
सर बैठे बैठे भी कर सकते हैं ना?
एंड अगर आप बैठे हैं तो दोनों पांव जमीन को टच होना चाहिए, बिना चप्पल, उससे
अगर
ग्राउंडिंग होता
लेटे
है।
हो तो?
लेटे हो तो आप स्ट्रेट रखिए पांव अपना, बस एक के ऊपर एक मत रखिए, आजू बाजू दोनों पांव रखिए, उसमें फिर ग्राउंडिंग की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि
अच्छा,
आप पूरा लेटे हुए हैं तो आपका बॉडी ही ग्राउंडेड है।
ये वीडियो तो बंद
तब भी
कर देना।
चलेगा सर?
हाँ जी,
बेड
वीडियो
पे
को
अगर
बंद कर
लेटे
देना
हुए हैं तो?
बेड पे लेटिए आराम से।
और वीडियो को बंद कर देना फिर।
वीडियो आप लोग को अब खाली सुनना है, मैं जो गाइडेड
हाँ।
मेडिटेशन करूंगा, यू हैव टू ओनली हियर इट, यू डोंट नीड वीडियो फॉर दिस, ओनली ऑडियो इज सफिशिएंट।
ठीक है।
I'll just have some water and then we'll start the meditation. आप लोग लेट सकते हैं, बैठ सकते हैं, आंखें बंद कर लीजिए। कोई और डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए, क्योंकि एक बार when we will enter the meditation, आप डूब जाएंगे उसमें, you will get lost in it.
सर एक पानी का गिलास ही रखना है क्या अपने पास में?
हाँ, पानी का ग्लास आप बाद में भी ले सकते हैं,
मेरे को
और
5
you
मिनट
can keep
डिस्टर्ब
it.
मत करना।
हाँ, no need to get up now and get the glass of water. Once the meditation is over, that time you can go and get a glass of water. And if you have it, keep it next to you.
सर मेडिटेशन का ड्यूरेशन कितना रहेगा कम से कम?
15 minutes roughly.
ओके ओके ठीक।
15 minutes is the approximate duration.
ठीक।
Okay.
You have to put hand like this.
No, sir. Flat on the thighs facing the ceiling. Like this. I had to show like that, but you have to keep it on your thighs. Since
Oh,
you are sitting, you have to keep on your thighs. Palms are open facing the ceiling.
Okay. Upward.
Upwards, as if when we are asking for something from somebody. Breathe in through your nose to the count of 6. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Exhale from your mouth 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Inhale through your nose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Exhale from your mouth 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please continue it. You can continue the breathing pattern. Every day you are playing so many roles. A father, a mother, a brother, a sister, a son, a daughter, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, father-in-law, mother-in-law, friend, owner of a shop or a business, working in some corporate. But where is or are you? What are you doing for yourself, your soul journey? आप अपने लिए क्या कर पाते हैं? क्या आपको दिन में कुछ मिनट भी अपने लिए नहीं होता है जिसको मैं अपना समय कह सकूं? मेरे कोई रिश्ता नहीं है उस समय, मैं सिर्फ एक सोल हूं, एक आत्मा हूं. So this is that time. Leave all your burdens, leave all your stresses, tensions, put it on the feet of Lord Buddha. This is just your time. ये सिर्फ आपका समय है, इसमें आप अपने बारे में सोचिए। और इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है, क्योंकि जैसे एरोप्लेन में भी कहते हैं कि अगर ऑक्सीजन मास्क लगाना है तो फर्स्ट पुट इट ऑन योर सेल्फ एंड देन गिव टू योर नेबरिंग पर्सन। हम खुद मजबूत रहेंगे तभी दूसरे को सहारा दे सकते हैं। दिस इज अ वेरी पावरफुल मेडिटेशन. It will remove deep-rooted blockages. It is a channel meditation and directly the Buddha energy is involved. इस ध्यान में बुद्धा एनर्जी इन्वॉल्व है. आपके काफी फंसे हुई चीजें, टेंशन्स, वरीज इस मेडिटेशन को सुनने से भी काफी हल्का हो सकता है. सिर्फ मेरे शब्दों को सुनिए. जस्ट लिसन टू माय वर्ड्स which are the channeling words. अपने आप को completely surrender कर दीजिए for the highest good and maximum benefits. बहुत सारे फायदा के लिए अपने आप को सरेंडर कर दीजिए और डूब जाइए इस मेडिटेशन में. इट इज अ फुल मून नाइट. पूर्णिमा की रात है. द मून इज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली. एकदम सफेद, एब्सोल्युटली वाइट. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाइट बिकॉज बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रात है, क्योंकि नेचर एंड मैनकाइंड, प्रकृति और इंसान का मिलन हो रहा है. देयर इज अ मीटिंग ऑफ नेचर एंड मैनकाइंड. इन दोनों के मिलने से, बाय द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ दीज टू, अ थर्ड पावर विल बी जनरेटेड. एक तीसरी शक्ति का जन्म होगा, which will remove the darkness and ignorance from this universe. इस दुनिया से अंधकार और अज्ञानता को दूर करेगा. लेकिन जैसे हमेशा कोई कुछ अच्छा करना चाहता है तो कोई ना कोई रुकावट देने आता ही है, वैसे ही द डेविल्स ऑफ द एंटायर यूनिवर्स do not want the birth of this new power. So they have decided to attack mankind and nature. कुछ बुरी शक्तियां, डेविल, राक्षस लोग नहीं चाहते हैं कि ये तीसरी शक्ति का जन्म हो, इसलिए वे आ जाते हैं इंसान और प्रकृति पर अटैक करने. The meeting and the merging of mankind and nature is going on in the meantime. The hours of the night are passing by. रात्रि के पहर बीतते जा रहे हैं. While the confluence is going on, वो मिलन हो रहा है. सारी बुरी शक्तियां, all the devilish power, all the negative energy, all the darkness and all the ignorance has come to attack mankind and nature. By the friction of this merging of mankind and nature, इंसान और प्रकृति के मिलन से एक सितारा, one star, which can fly in the air, takes birth, जन्म होता है. This star is bright and luminous. बहुत ही चमकदार सितारा है ये. It is more powerful than the sun. As soon as this star is born, it starts going all around mankind and nature. जन्म होते ही ये सितारा, यह स्टार, इंसान और प्रकृति के चारों ओर घूमने लगता है, फेरा लगाने लगता है. As it is going around mankind and nature, a very powerful boundary of bright light is getting formed. वो जैसे चक्कर लगा रहा है, एक बाउंड्री बन गया है जिसके अंदर बहुत ही रोशनी है, बहुत ही ज्ञानता है, बहुत ही सुकून है. It's so peaceful inside, so powerful. There is a boundary within which everything is very, very bright. No darkness can enter it. अंधकार का भी नहीं घुस सकता है उस बाउंड्री के इस पार. The devil and the dark forces इस सितारा को अटैक कर रहे हैं. बुरी शक्तियां, आक्रमण चालू है. लेकिन this star is very, very powerful. ये सितारा बहुत ही शक्तिशाली है. देखिए, आंखें बंद है, पर मन की आंखों से देखिए. It starts growing in size, bigger and bigger. वह बढ़ता चला जा रहा है, बड़ा और बड़ा, और ये सारी बुरी शक्तियों का नाश कर देता है. It is killing and destroying all the negative and the dark forces. रात बीत चुका है, the night has passed by, और it is dawn now. ब्रह्म मुहूर्त है. Mankind and nature recall what all happened the previous night. पिछली रात क्या हुआ, इंसान और प्रकृति को ज्ञान हो जाता है. And when they see this star in front of them, they bless it. और वो इस सितारा को आशीर्वाद देते हैं. They say that since you gave us respect by going around us after your birth, क्योंकि सितारा ने इनको इज्जत दिया, पैदा होते ही इनके फेरी लगाई, इसलिए वो उसको ब्लेस करना चाहते हैं. And you will henceforth be known as फेरा. इट्स अ हिंदी वर्ड, आप लोग ने सुना ही होगा. जैसे शादी के 7 फेरे होते हैं, वैसा ही फेरा के नाम से जाना जाएगा. The star will be henceforth known as फेरा. And within you, और इस सितारा के अंदर, the knowledge, secret and truth of this entire universe will be established. ज्ञानता, रहस्य और सच्चाई सारे दुनिया की इसके अंदर पाया जाएगा. Then mankind and nature give instructions to this star to go to Mother Earth. वो इस सितारा को कहते हैं कि तुम धरती पे जाओ, जहां सिद्धार्थ गौतम तपस्या कर रहे हैं. वह सिद्धार्थ गौतम is doing penance. They advise it to meet Siddharth Gautam and pass on this nectar to him. वो कहते हैं कि आप सिद्धार्थ गौतम को भी ये ज्ञान दीजिए, ये रहस्य शेयर करिए और इस दुनिया की सच्चाई बताइए. From that time onwards, he will use it to spread wisdom and light in the entire world. फिर उनकी जिम्मेदारी हो जाएगी इसे दूर दूर तक फैलाने में. The Pharaoh comes down to Mother Earth and goes to the spot where Siddharth Gautam is in deep penance. वो फेरा धरती पे आता है और वहां जाता है जहां सिद्धार्थ गौतम तपस्या कर रहे हैं. Pharaoh explains him the entire story. Now Siddharth Gautam starts writing everything. He keeps on writing this entire universal truth, secret and knowledge. But the size of the earth is not enough to complete his writing. जब फेरा सिद्धार्थ गौतम को सब कुछ बताता है, तो गौतम सिद्धार्थ लिखने चालू कर देते हैं. लिखते चले जाते हैं ये सब कुछ, लेकिन ये धरती भी छोटी पड़ती है उसके लिए. All the oceans, all the land, all the planets, the entire universe does not have enough space to complete writing the entire truth. समुद्र, planets, धरती, आकाश, सब कुछ भर चुका है, लेकिन फिर भी उनका लिखना खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So Siddharth Gautam thinks of a solution that this entire truth, knowledge and secret of the universe be represented by symbols. फिर सिद्धार्थ गौतम ने तरकीब निकाली कि इन सारी रहस्य, ज्ञान और सच्चाई को सिंबल्स के रूप में कन्वर्ट किया जाए, और ये सिंबल एक स्टोन पे लिखते हैं जो सोने का बन जाता है. And he draws these symbols on a stone which turns into gold. The stone starts shining brightly. Seeing this, the mankind and nature also come down to earth. वो पत्थर सोने की बन जाती है, इतनी चमकदार, और ये देख के इंसान और प्रकृति भी नीचे धरती पे आ जाते हैं और वे सिद्धार्थ को आशीर्वाद देते हैं. And they bless Siddharth that since he has become the enlightened one with this universal knowledge, secret and truth, वो आशीर्वाद देते हैं सिद्धार्थ को कि क्योंकि उनको यह ज्ञान हो गया है, इस सच्चाई का, इस रहस्य का, इस ज्ञान का, you will henceforth be known as Buddha, the enlightened one, the awakened one. तुम्हें आज से बुद्ध के नाम से जाना जाएगा. And whenever anyone invokes Buddha and Pera, they will also be blessed with this knowledge and truth. और अगर कोई सच्चे दिल से, सच्चे मन से बुद्धा को और फेरा को बुलाएगा, तो उन्हें भी ये ज्ञान, रहस्य और सच्चाई के बारे में पता चलेगा. Buddha then passes on this knowledge to his disciples. Then Buddha and his disciples start helping mankind. बुद्धा अपने शिष्यों को ये सिखाते हैं और इंसानों का बेहतर जीवन के लिए औरों को सिखाते हैं और हेल्प करते हैं. Buddha and his disciples start helping mankind, giving salvation to the deserving ones. Slowly the disciples were being called as lamas. धीरे धीरे जो शिष्य थे गौतम बुद्ध के, उन्हें लामा कहलाने लगे. एंड इसी तरह लामा फेरा का जन्म हुआ. एंड दिस इज हाउ लामा फेरा केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. यह कहानी इज सिंबॉलिक. इट इज जस्ट टू गिव यू एन आइडिया ऑफ हाउ लामा फेरा केम. ये सिर्फ एक सांकेतिक कहानी है, और जो भी लामा फेरा सीखेगा उसके डीप रूटेड ब्लॉकेजेस, रुकावटें, बड़ी बड़ी रुकावटें खत्म हो जाएंगी. This is a symbolic story of Lama Phera, and whoever learns Lama Phera, his or her deep-rooted blockages will get dissolved, and a new, happier, peaceful, and more successful life will begin. बहुत ही खुशी भरा जीवन, शांति भरा जीवन, प्रेम भरा जीवन और सफलता भरा जीवन शुरू हो जाता है. अब इट इज आवर टर्न टू इन्वोक बुद्धा एंड फेरा. अब वक्त आ गया है कि हम भी उस बुद्धा और फेरा को याद करें, सच्चे दिल से बुलाएं. आपकी आंखें क्लोज्ड हैं, योर आईज आर क्लोज्ड. लुक एट योरसेल्फ विथ योर इनर आईज. मन की आंखों से देखिए कि आप सो रहे हैं. यू आर स्लीपिंग. फेरा इज स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू योर फीट. फेरा आपके चरणों के पास है. और सोचिए, जस्ट इमेजिन हु इज स्टैंडिंग नियर योर हेड. आपके सर के पास कौन खड़ा है? साक्षात भगवान बुद्ध खड़े. लॉर्ड बुद्धा हिमसेल्फ इज स्टैंडिंग नियर योर हेड. There is a powerful light and energy emanating from Buddha's hands. बुद्ध भगवान की हाथों से चमकदार रोशनी और शक्ति दिख रहा है. यह रोशनी, यह शक्ति, this light, This power is touching your crown chakra, जो सर के ऊपर होता है crown chakra, उससे छू रहा है this light. तीसरी आंख चक्रा, third eye chakra, and Buddha is advising you that the truth, secret, and knowledge of the entire universe which you already knew. ये रोशनी, ये पावर आपके क्राउन चक्रा, थर्ड आई चक्रा को होते हुए नीचे जा रहा है, और बुद्ध भगवान कहते हैं कि हर इंसान को यह सच्चाई, यह रहस्य, यह ज्ञान पता होता है, लेकिन वो भूल जाते हैं अज्ञानतावश. I am re-establishing it in your heart. This truth, secret, and knowledge which you already knew, but due to your ignorance you have forgotten it. I am re-establishing it in your heart. तुम्हारे हार्ट चक्रा में मैं इसे फिर से जगाऊंगा, क्योंकि है आपके अंदर है ये सब, बट आप रोज के भागदौड़ से, दुनिया की उलझनों से उसे भूल जाते हैं. बुद्ध भगवान कहते हैं कम विथ मी, एंड देन बुद्धा स्टार्ट्स गोइंग अराउंड योर बॉडी. बुद्ध भगवान कहते हैं आओ मेरे साथ, और वो आपके शरीर का फेरा लगाने लगते हैं एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में. राइट साइड, दाहिने साइड से वो चलते चलते आपका बॉडी, शोल्डर, हैंड, चेस्ट, स्टमक, थाई, नीज, लेग्स, राइट फुट, फिर घूम जाते हैं लेफ्ट फुट, नी, लेग, and so on, going upwards towards the left side of your head and above your head. वो पूरा फेरा लगाते हैं भगवान बुद्ध. आपके सर दाहिने साइड से शुरू करते हुए, राइट हैंड, पाँव, राइट फुट, फिर बाएं तरफ आ जाते हैं घूम के, और पाँव, चेस्ट, छाती, पेट, बायां हाथ, एंड द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ योर हेड, सर के लेफ्ट साइड में वापस शुरू में जहां से हुआ था वहां खड़े हो जाते हैं लॉर्ड भगवान. ही स्टैंड्स फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द हेड. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस फेरा फॉर? व्हाट इज दिस फर्स्ट राउंड फॉर? ये फेरा किस लिए था? ये पहला फेरा ये आपके पास्ट लाइफ के लिए था. This is for your past life. Whatever wrong deeds were done by you in your past birth, the Fera will help to clear those negative karma. आपसे न मुझे पता है, न आपको पता है कि हमसे पिछले जन्मों में क्या भूल हुई है. तो इस फेरा से वो भूल, वो पाप धुल जाता है. You can wash away the bad karma. Second फेरा same anti-clockwise, and this will heal your present life. फिर भगवान बुद्ध दूसरा फेरा लेते हैं और वो आपके इस जीवन की कठिनाइयों को दूर करने में मदद करेगा. See Lord Buddha going around your body, and he has reached your head again. Now he will take the last half round. बुद्ध भगवान दूसरा फेरा खत्म करके आधा फेरा लेंगे सर से लेके पांव तक, राइट साइड, दाहिने साइड, till he reaches your feet. This is for the truth, secret, and knowledge. ये आधा फेरा है सच्चाई, रहस्य और ज्ञान का. At the bottom of your feet is the star called फेरा. आपके पांव के नीचे वो सितारा फेरा है, वो भी वहां है. Buddha lifts the fera in his hands. See brilliant and scintillating light in the hands of Lord Buddha. बुद्ध भगवान इस फेरा को उठाते हैं. देखिए बुद्ध भगवान के हाथ रोशनी से भर जाते हैं, चमकता हुआ है. And he is taking it between your legs to your root chakra, and then through your sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, piercing them, he establishes fera in your heart chakra. भगवान बुद्ध उस फेरे को उठाते हैं जो इतना चमकदार है, और वो आपके रूट चक्रा, सेक्रल चक्रा, सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्रा को चीरते हुए आपके हार्ट चक्रा में, हृदय में स्थापित कर देते हैं। Inside your heart, you are feeling as if thousands of candles and diyas are lighted up. आपको ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है कि आपके हृदय में दीपक और मोमबत्तियां जगमगाने लगी है। Feel that vibration, feel that power. महसूस करिए इस शक्ति का, इस रोशनी का, इस वाइब्रेशन का। Just feel it. Feel it. महसूस करिए। इतनी रोशनी, इतनी शक्ति, इतनी खुशी। Now thank the Fera energy. अब फेरा एनर्जी को धन्यवाद करिए। बुद्धा, मैनकाइंड एंड नेचर आर नाउ ब्लेसिंग यू। बुद्ध भगवान, इंसान और प्रकृति आपको आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं that whenever with a genuine heart and honesty, ईमानदारी से और दिल से आप उनको याद करेंगे, you will remember them for a noble deed, अच्छा काम करने के लिए या खुद की हीलिंग करने के लिए या दूसरों की हीलिंग करने के लिए आप याद करेंगे, तो उस समय whenever you want to do your own healing or someone else's healing, you will want this energy, this power, it will definitely come. Lord Buddha and Fera will definitely come to help you. भगवान बुद्ध और फेरा जरूर आएंगे आपकी सहायता करने, और दूसरों का भला करके खुद का भी भला होगा ही। You will be blessed with happiness, wealth, prosperity, good health, peace of mind, name, fame. खुशियों से भर जाएगा आपका जीवन, धन, ऐश्वर्य, स्वास्थ्य, मन की शांति, नाम, शोहरत, जो चाहिए आपको मिलेगा। Now, give deep gratitude to the universe and to the universal energy. इस शक्ति का, यूनिवर्सल शक्ति को धन्यवाद दीजिए। You can continue in this position. आप आंखें बंद करके ऐसे लेटे रह सकते हैं या बैठे रह सकते हैं, जब तक आपको अच्छा लगे। Please continue lying down and sitting as long as you are enjoying this, as long as you are feeling it. There is no hurry. Please take your time. And whenever you are ready, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, there's no hurry at all. पर जब आप रेडी हों तो दोनों हाथों को रब करके अपने आंखों के ऊपर रखिएगा और आंखों में भी वो शक्ति का, रोशनी का महसूस करिए। Whenever you are ready, rub your palms and put them on your eyes. Feel that power, that light, that vibration in your eyes. After that, you can get up and have a glass of water. और अगर पानी पास में है, पानी का ग्लास, तो आप पानी पी सकते हैं। Buddha blessings to you, Buddha blessings to me, and Buddha blessings to everyone. बुद्ध भगवान का आशीर्वाद आपको भी, बुद्ध भगवान का आशीर्वाद मुझे भी, और बुद्ध भगवान का आशीर्वाद सबको भी। बुद्धा ब्लेसिंग्स टू ऑल। आप हर एक को बुद्धा ब्लेसिंग्स। बुद्ध भगवान का आशीर्वाद हमेशा आप पे, आपके परिवार वालों पे, आपके दोस्तों पे, जिनको आप चाहते हैं, हमेशा बना रहे। बुद्धा ब्लेसिंग्स टू यू, योर near and dear ones, and all those people whom you like. May they always be blessed by Lord Buddha. When you are ready, जब आप तैयार होंगे तो आंखें खोल के रब करना है, हैंड्स को आंखों पे रखना है और फिर आप अपना कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हैं. Once you are ready, no hurry, you can get up, have a glass of water and switch on the video so that I know आपका ध्यान खत्म हो गया है, that you are through with the meditation. There are some people still whose cameras are off. That means they are really enjoying this peace, this happiness, this unique moment.
सर जी, मेडिटेशन के वक्त मेरे हाथ जरा हे हो रहे थे, झटक रहे थे, मतलब बीच बीच में कभी कभी एक बार झटका लगा कंधे पर और अपने वो पाल्म्स होते का वो पर उस पर.
हर एक जन को कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस हुआ होगा. Once all are ready, please share your experiences. आपने क्या महसूस किया वो हमसे शेयर करिए. और लामा फेरा के बारे में कुछ भी डाउट्स है, if you have any doubts about लामा फेरा, please feel free to ask us. Satya ji will coordinate it. Satya ji will coordinate it.
Thank you so much, Vidyut ji, for this wonderful experiences. And as we can see, many are still, I think, enjoying this in the wonderful meditation. बहुत लोग अभी भी meditation में हैं. And जो लोग meditation से अभी आ गए हैं, my request, if any 2 or 3 member can share their experiences, what exactly they felt, anything in their physical body, like abhi kisi ne bola he felt something, like what did you felt in your mind, how did you feel emotionally, if there was any kind of a stress आपके life में पहले कुछ stress था और अभी कुछ relax महसूस, कुछ भी, you know what, when you share, sharing is like serving, sharing is like good karma, so that, and so I request any 2 and 3 member just become volunteer and please share your experiences. We are all listening to it. And rest of the
evening.
yeah,
Sorry.
please.
No,
Sir,
please. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, no issues, sir. Please tell me, please.
Yeah, I felt a sort of a peace and calmness engulfing me completely, my mind and my body, which was a very pleasant feeling. And that peace and then calmness after the meditation period was really, exciting, you can say. You feel very good about it. That is it only which I experienced. There were no vibrations as such, and there were no movement in the body. A very, very, I can say, a very peaceful peace and calmness came over. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Anil ji. Sudeep Kumar ji, please go ahead.
नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार.
जो मेडिटेशन कराए हैं इसमें मन बहुत शांत लग रहा है, बहुत मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है उस मेडिटेशन के दौरान ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे समुद्र के लहरों के ऊपर सो रहे हैं. एकदम बॉडी एकदम हल्का हो गया था. और जब पैर के पास से जब वो हार्ट में जाने बोल रहे थे तो पूरा जो चक्र है वो पूरा वाइब्रेट करना चालू हो गया था. और जैसे ही हार्ट में रखे उसके सब कुछ ऐसा लगा जैसे कि सब कुछ शांत हो गया है.
बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much for sharing.
सर एक डाउट था, मतलब पूछना था, क्वेरी था बोलना चाहिए।
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
जैसे सर पता है कि पहला फेरा पास्ट के लिए है, सेकंड फेरा प्रेजेंट के लिए, वो हाफ फेरा किस चीज के लिए रहता है?
हाफ फेरा है जो आपका ज्ञान है, सच्चाई है, रहस्य है
जी
दुनिया के बारे में, उसका आपको ज्ञान होने लगेगा।
सर,
आधा फेरा उसके लिए बुद्ध भगवान ने किया।
थैंक यू सर।
Everyone's experience will be different. Some will feel peaceful, some will feel the vibration. आप सभी का एक्सपीरियंस अलग है, अनोखा है। You should feel happy of whatever you have experienced. किसी से हमें कंपेयर नहीं करना है। हमको जो महसूस हुआ वही सही है, क्योंकि हर इंसान का एनर्जी बॉडी अलग होता है, तो एक्सपीरियंस भी सबका अलग होगा। Yeah, there is a doubt here. What will be the timing of Lama Fera class? We will be doing it through WhatsApp. Every day I will post the content and you can refer to it in the next 24 hours and it will be always in that chat. WhatsApp के थ्रू हम रोज आपको कंटेंट भेजेंगे और वो हमेशा आपके WhatsApp पे ही रहेगा। आज का कंटेंट जो है 24 घंटा के अंदर देख लीजिएगा, जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया हुआ है उसे फॉलो करिएगा। Whatever instructions are given, please follow them and just begin this amazing journey.
मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, सतीश बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ सतीश जी बोलिए।
कुछ सब मतलब जैसे मेडिटेशन शुरू हुआ आपकी आवाज़ चल रही थी तो पता नहीं धीरे धीरे कुछ नींद सी आ रही थी, और उसके बाद वो कब आपने कहा, बस इतना था कि कोई वो बुद्धा जी सर पे खड़े हैं कि उन्होंने एक चक्कर ले लिया। मतलब मैं वो विजुअलाइज करने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया। बड़ा अच्छा लगा मतलब, लेकिन इन टोटलिटी फाइनली जब मैं उठा तो मेरे पाँव में मेरे को वाइब्रेशन से महसूस हुई, और अभी भी अगर आप बोलोगे तो मैं सोने को तैयार हूँ। मतलब मेरे को अच्छी सी नींद आ रही है, मैं यही बोल सकता हूँ।
Same type of message has been said by Jaideep Nanda Saraswati. He said, I had tremendous pain in the body, and when I went into sleep, then suddenly I came out of it. Thank you so much, Jaideep Nanda ji, to share this experience. Any
So
other?
one question. I'm sorry, but I joined a little late because of some prior engagement. So will you be conducting this meditation procedure anytime soon again?
Vidut ji?
Every Sunday we'll have this webinar.
Okay.
Where the first part is to explain you about Lama Fera, and the second part will be this meditation.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sorry to have joined late. Actually, I'm really sorry, but I.
Sir, whenever Lord Buddha wants, we will come, sir. Please don't be sorry. At least you came.
No, I know that. This is a very, very true thing which you had said, that Guru तो जब बुलाता है उनकी कृपा से ही आप उनके पास पहुंच सकते हो. Otherwise, however much you try, you cannot reach. Exactly. I'm really thankful to you for conducting this beautiful seminar.
My pleasure, sir.
I mean, really nice.
Only Satya ji, even I have to tell you also, next Sunday I won't be in Chennai. I won't be in town. I'm traveling. So either we can have on some weekday or skip this Sunday and the next Sunday we can have.
Sure, sir. We coordinate.
Just for everybody who is here also, and I'll talk to you personally also.
Sunita ji, there is video. We will try to arrange this, and if you are.
सर एक्चुअली में हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए, अभी वो वेबिनार ये देखा था, उसके बाद कोई आ गया घर में, पूरा नहीं मेडिटेशन तो देख कर ही नहीं पाए। प्लीज अगर इसलिए तो
हाँ, हम लोग करने की कोशिश करेंगे अभी ये वीडियो को, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा इसका लेंथ के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। जैसे ही हो जाएगा, अगर आप ग्रुप में हैं।
हाँ जी, वो हमने शेयर किया है ना, अभी लिंक नहीं है, अभी उसमें पहले वेबिनार की तो सबमिट करती है ना पैसे भी हमको फीस, तो उसी ग्रुप में कर दीजिए या तो है ना।
डेफिनेटली हम उसी ग्रुप में डाल देंगे
ठीक है।
So Vidut ji, people are asking about the fees for the advanced level.
Fees of advanced level. See, generally for the healer level, among the gurus who are teaching Lama Fera, They roughly charge between 5,000 to 7,500 for the first level. मैं अभी तक 3,999 charge कर रहा था, but now the calling is that I should make it 5,000, 4,999. Advanced level जो बाकी गुरु लोग हैं, they charge anywhere between 7,500 to 10,000. तो वो अभी मेरे को कॉलिंग नहीं आया है, मैं अभी एडवांस लेवल देना शुरू भी नहीं किया है. I will start when the calling is there, and that time I can fix the rate. But I am just telling you a standard practice among everyone. And there is one more Grandmaster level, which I didn't explain while giving the whole presentation. That is not yet started online. And what I came to know, it is around 50,000, not online. Nobody is teaching it online.
So you people are interested, if any of you interested in Lamafera, we are just sharing a link in the chat box. It's there for everyone. So that's there. So you can go to this link, click on this link, and go ahead and enroll yourself for this Lamafera Healer Level program, which is starting this coming week. And there are other payment methods. You can make the energy exchange using that, and you can send across. There are 3 numbers which has been given. Any of you can, like, the first number is of Vidyut ji. So you can contact him first, and if he's not available, you can contact in the other 2 numbers. We will be more than grateful enough to serve you, help you in any form that is possible from our end. So जस्ट लुक, आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में देखिए, उसमें मैंने लिंक शेयर किया है इसके बारे में. मैं 2 बार लिंक शेयर कर रहा हूँ, और इसके अंदर एक इंस्टामोजो का लिंक है. आप उसको क्लिक कर सकते हैं, उसको उसके अंदर जाके यू कैन मेक पेमेंट and energy exchange, and otherwise you can use Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, whatever is guided, whatever suits you, and you can become part of this massive healing revolution that is taking place at the moment through Lamafera. And sir, there's a question for you. Vidhu sir, will you be conducting the classes? So
yes, I'll be conducting the classes. What we will do on WhatsApp, everyday content will be sent. And if you all have doubts, we can also have weekly one live Zoom session where you can get your doubts clarified or the portions covered till there. Agar there is little calling also, please join this mission. Maybe we are here to create history. Lamafera अभी भी इतना फैला नहीं है, हो सकता है हम एक इतिहास क्रिएट कर दे साथ में मिलके, एंड हम सबका नाम अमर हो जाएगा.
any other thing you guys, people wanted to share, anything, any experiences? I know a lot of, when this kind of meditation happen, बहुत सारे different levels of healing takes place, and a lot of cleansing happens. So it's always better to go ahead and feel, don't stop it. Let things come out of the thing. Let things come out of the physical body. Let things come out of the mental body. It's very big cleansing effect. It's a wonderful method. And yeah, it is really a blessing. It's a deep, deep level blessing that is happening at the moment in all of you. So silence is prevailing, but still, you may have questions, you may have some sort of things, you may have some experience which is very, very unique, and if you can share, most welcome. Most welcome. We are here at this moment for some time.
I saw a lot of butterflies in my heart. Beautiful. Somebody's experience.
Okay.
Any other doubts or anything, or we can, Satyaji, can we?
Yes, sir.
Wind it up.
Yeah, we can wind it up. And the messages, please, you guys are all in the group, and we will try to post this video at the earliest, and please have a look at this. जिन लोगों ने अभी तक जब late join किए थे, those people can have a look at this video, and the links are there. Here also you can copy paste the link. The link will be available in the WhatsApp group, so you can go ahead and enroll yourself for this wonderful journey. And we pray that Lord Buddha bless you, bless us beyond comprehension. And we thank Vidyutji for his presence here, for guiding us in this wonderful meditation, for aligning us with Lord Buddha thyself, with Pera, and may Lord Buddha and Pera bless us, bless all of us, and all of us be an instrument in healing and transforming the world as appropriate. Thank you so much, all of you, for coming.
Any query, any doubt, we are always available. Myself, Satyaji,
Yes.
and there is Mr. Shrikant also, who couldn't join in today.
No, Shrikantji is
We
here.
are
sir.
there.
Shrikantji is
He
here.
has come. Okay, great.
He has come.
Okay.
So Shrikantji is here.
We are always available for even the smallest of doubt. And thank you, everybody. And I thank Lord Buddha for introducing me to this amazing Lama Pera technique. Thank you, Lord Buddha. And Lord Buddha bless all of us. Thank you.
See you all. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Take care. All of you. Bye.